What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all are doing good and staying super blessed. Today I got another video for you guys. I do want to apologize. I know there's always seems to be a delay. My life is seriously busy with work, with the kids, with the holidays, etc. So I do want to apologize in advance. Yes, there's been quite of a delay here, but we are back and back better than ever because I have a lot of jam-packed videos coming up in the future. There is going to be a couple surprises. Some of you had an idea of what's already going on if you pay attention to my IG and what I post on Facebook, the ones who are friends on there, you know. So some of you probably have that idea, right? But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to do one more unboxing experience of another part that came in from IMPORTIMAGE Racing. It is the Alpha IMPORTIMAGE Racing carbon fiber fenders. That's right, the front and the rear. So the little plastic pieces right here on the sides, I'll show you guys a close-up in just a second, but on the sides, those pieces are going away and they're being replaced with full carbon fiber. This is a carbon fiber build for my VBWRX project. So in return, that's why they're going to be carbon fiber. Now, also, before I start unboxing that product, I do want to let you guys know I have done a lot of research here, and it appears that the rear bumper from MSP, which you guys saw in a previous video of the unboxing of that product, well, I am here to inform you, here to tell you, give you the bad news. It's going to require a lot of work. And when I say a lot of work, I mean we have to remove the rear bumper, the OEM plastic golf ball bumper completely. Toss it to the side, put the new MSP rear carbon fiber bumper combo with diffuser onto the vehicle. On top of that, apparently I did not know, and I did not do enough research before buying the product, but the crash bar also has to be removed in the rear. So it's going to be basically a full rear bumper replacement. This is not a cover like the description, like the details state. You got to look further into it with the pictures and everything. So that's what's going on. We are going to get that done around February. I know it's a long ways away. Man, we're looking at February 6th is what my install date is. Shops are super busy. These higher performance shops are busy. They're jam-packed with a whole bunch of appointments. People are trying to get it done for the new year 2025 and kick it off with a bang. So I am literally stuck in 2025 until February 6th, which is actually my birthday. So hopefully we go out with a bang for my birthday celebration, you know, drop it off at the shop, go to dinner with the lady, go to dinner with the kids, lunch or whatever, and take it from there. But you guys, I know it's a lot of information. We're going to start the unboxing experience. I do want to let you know that surprise video is coming up very soon. You guys will see what I will be unboxing, and I will be ceramic coating, and I will be installing in the same video. So that is the goal. Let's see if it all comes into play, but I'm going to be ceramic coating this product by myself. Nobody's going to help me. I've learned and read many directions on Reddit how to ceramic coat a certain product, and that certain product will be presented to you all soon. Anyways, much love, major blessings. Let's get this video started with the unboxing. Here we go. Honestly, you guys, I'm just super excited to show you guys this next video that is coming up on the channel. I really think a lot of people are going to like it. I really think a lot of people are going to say, okay, Jay, now I see what you're saying with the direction you're going with this project. It's definitely going to be an eye-opener. It will bring back some memories for the ones that were here for the Type R project before I lost that car through the divorce. Lost that project, I should say. Oh, I don't want to think about the memories, but if the point is, if you were there at that point in time, then I think that is a perfect hint right there that will give you guys an idea of what's coming up for the WRX. All right, so I just wanted to add that in, and with that, let's go with the outro. Here we go. All right, you guys, hope you did enjoy that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. I can't wait until we get all these products installed. There is another product still coming. Actually, there's a couple more. So that's going to be after, that's going to be after the surprise video. So after I show you guys what that surprise is, the next video following that one will be those products. So still waiting on a couple more, but they're good. Trust me, they're really, really good. And then we can start doing like the high performance modifications and everything to the WRX. And then who knows, maybe there'll be another project added to the channel. But if you guys did enjoy that video, let me know in the comments. Let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Your opinion does matter. I appreciate everybody's support, their dedication, their gratitude. You guys are very respectful on the channel in the comments, so I definitely appreciate that. I do definitely appreciate the likes, the dislikes, whatever happens is fine. It still gives growth to the channel. So you guys wait until the next video. I got y'all locked in. Skylyfe Projects, here we go.